15 nodi 250.
Bellissimo, bellissimo.
7 verrà lanciato dalla... We are preparing to assure NATO a very well prepared force. Our goal is to make sure that NATO has a safe pass wherever they decide to sail, all over the world. Non ci sono i nodi 7 di assoluto.
Yes, procedures are the same, and sometimes we have some difficulties to understand the different accents. That's the main part on the radio. We try to get a high standard level for every nation.
We need to exercise. As we come out of Afghanistan and our forces get smaller there, we're going to have to up the game in our exercises complexity and size in order to maintain what I think is an incredible amount of capability that we have right now. Secondarily, this is a part of an exercise series, Steadfast series, leading to Steadfast Jazz, which certifies our NRF. And these forces' ability, the Standing Naval Forces' ability to be a part of that NRF.
Security is going to be a 360-degree activities. In other words, it's going to be, for the navies, the need is going to be able to be relevant not only in warlike situations, but also in everyday support to nations that are experiencing natural calamities, for example. In other way, anything that can help the people that are along the coast and the nations that are friends of us to face a threat, any kind of threat.